Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go to the app gallery, and here on the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this first application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing. Now just open the app, click here again to open, and here click enable in settings. Near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, click OK, again OK. Now just go back, tap here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see, our process is finished. So now we'll go somewhere, for example here, to enter something, and as can you see here we got our new keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.